they'll all collapse, right, in the agent era. Because if you think about it, right, they are essentially CRUD databases.
Welcome to today's video. We're unpacking a groundbreaking prediction from Microsoft's CEO. He believes AI agents are poised to replace all traditional software, signaling the end of SaaS as we know it. In this video, we'll explore how you can adapt to these changes, choose the right business model, and secure your success while making money with AI.
With a bunch of business logic. The business logic is all going to these agents. And these agents are going to be
Okay, let's just pause here. The CEO's first point is about business applications. He says that most business software today acts as an interface layered on top of databases. But here's the twist. In an AI-driven world, agents will take over these functions entirely. This means we'll interact directly with AI to manage, update, and process data, eliminating the need for traditional apps. Think about the efficiency this could bring. No more navigating between multiple apps. Instead, AI agents will seamlessly handle all interactions, simplifying workflows and making current business applications a thing of the past. Moreover, this transformation could free up resources spent on maintaining and developing traditional UIs, allowing companies to focus on core innovations. However, this shift also raises questions about accessibility and user control. While agents promise streamlined operations, ensuring that they operate transparently and align with user intentions will be a crucial challenge. Businesses will need to establish trust in these systems for widespread adoption.
People CRUD, right? So they're not going to discriminate between what the backend is. They're going to update multiple databases, and all the logic will be in the AI tier, so to speak. And once the AI tier becomes the place where all the logic is, then people will start replacing the backends, right? We people, that's what, in fact, it's interesting. As we speak, I think we are seeing pretty high rates of wins on Dynamics backends and the agent use. And we are going to go pretty aggressively and try and collapse it all, right? Whether it's in customer service, whether it is in, by the way, the other fascinating thing that's increasing is just not CRM, but even our what we call finance and operations. Because people want more AI native biz apps, right?
Next, let's talk about SaaS, software as a service. According to the CEO, SaaS as we know it may soon become irrelevant. Why? Because AI agents will render the need for these cloud-based apps obsolete. Agents won't require the interfaces that SaaS platforms provide. Instead, they'll interact directly with data to fulfill tasks. This is a seismic shift. SaaS has been the backbone of modern business tools. But this prediction suggests companies need to adapt quickly. Businesses that fail to integrate AI agents could struggle to stay relevant in this evolving landscape. Imagine a future where AI agents replace subscription-based services by offering dynamic, pay-per-task functionalities. This could disrupt pricing models and reshape customer expectations. Additionally, SaaS companies might pivot to becoming data custodians or AI training hubs, focusing on providing secure and high-quality datasets for agent use. However, this scenario also brings challenges, such as increased competition and the need to redefine value propositions. For users, the simplification could be a boon, but it might also lead to dependency on fewer providers, raising concerns about monopolization and data security.
That means the logic tier can be orchestrated by AI and AI agents. So in other words, Copilot to agent to my business application should be very seamless. Now, in the same vein, you could even say, hey, why do I need Excel? Like, interestingly enough, one of the most exciting things for me is Excel with Python is like GitHub with Copilot, right? That's essentially, so what we have done is when you have Excel, like this, by the way, it would be fun for you guys, right? Which is you should just bring up Excel, bring up Copilot, and start playing with it, because it's no longer like, oh, it is like having a data analyst. And so it's no longer just making sense of the numbers that you have. It will do the plan for you, right? It will literally, like how GitHub Copilot Workspace creates the plan and then it executes the plan. This is like a data analyst who is using Excel as a sort of row column visualization to do analysis scratchpad. So it's kind of tools you. So the Copilot is using Excel as a tool with all of its action space because it can generate, and it has Python interpreter.
The CEO also raises an intriguing question about Excel. If AI agents can write Python code to analyze data and create visualizations, why would we need spreadsheets? This challenges the way we think about traditional tools for data analysis. This isn't just about smarter tools. It's a total reimagining of workflows. With AI handling tasks autonomously, tools like Excel might evolve into platforms for AI interaction rather than direct user manipulation. Imagine asking your agent to provide a forecast or generate a complex financial model, and it delivers results instantly without manual input. This could empower users to focus on strategy and decision-making instead of mundane tasks. On the flip side, this evolution may create a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with AI systems. Additionally, there's the potential for over-reliance on AI. What happens when the agent fails or provides inaccurate data? Ensuring reliability, accountability, and proper user training will be essential to fully realizing the benefits of these advanced systems.
That is, in fact, a great way to reconceptualize Excel. And at some point, you could say, hey, I'll generate all of Excel. And that is also true. After all, there's a code interpreter, right? So therefore, you can generate anything. And so, yes, I think there will be disruption. But so the way we are approaching at least our M365 stuff is, one is build Copilot as that organizing layer, UI for AI. Get all agents, including our own agents. You can say the Excel is an agent to my Copilot. Word is an agent. It's kind of specialized canvases, which is I'm doing a legal document. Let me take it into Pages and then to Word, and then have the Copilot go with it. Go into Excel and have the Copilot go with it. And so that's sort of a new way to think about the work and workflow. I mean, it's top of mind, and top of mind for both us.
This vision of AI agents replacing traditional software and disrupting SaaS is both exciting and daunting. It streamlines workflows, but it also forces businesses and developers to rethink their roles. The potential for increased efficiency is immense, but we must also address the risks of automation and centralized control. What are your thoughts on this bold prediction? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights on the future of technology.